everyone, it's Paige. Welcome to your activity video of the month. Today we're gonna make claws. But what animals have claws and why?
Lots of the Jeff and Paige characters have claws. Like me, I'm a dog. I've got claws.
Don't worry, it's just me. I have claws for hunting. I'm a mountain lion. My hat fell off. Meow. It's me, the Bobcat, a carnivore, un carnívoro. Tengo las garras también. I also have claws. Meow. For hunting. Digging. Just, whatever feels good with the claws. It's me, the beaver, a keystone species here, and I also have claws. They're very important to me for digging up roots and things that I like to eat. Also holding on to the trees when I'm chewing them with my teeth, which never stop growing, incidentally. Claws.
I also have claws. In fact, black bear claws can be as long as a human pinky finger. We use them for digging, climbing trees, and foraging for berries. Right, Mama?
Animals have claws for all sorts of different reasons. And human animals, well, we have our own version of claws too. Our fingernails, we use them for all sorts of things as well. Can you think of a couple things you use your fingernails for right now? Let's make some claws. We're gonna use the simplest materials I could possibly think of to make these claws. After you're done making your claws, you can pick your favorite Jeff and Paige claw-oriented animal song and have a dance party. And then you can also bring those claws with you to an upcoming Jeff and Paige performance if you're in the area. We'll get started with our claws right now. Let's go over the craft table. To make Jeff and Paige style claws, here's what you need. I found a pair of old socks that I don't mind cutting up. If you had a pair of gloves that your grown-up said was okay to use, you could use those as well. I've got a firm piece of sort of cardboardy cardstock. This is the back of a coloring pad that was finished. I've got some crayon sticks because I like to color with these. You could use anything you like. Hot glue gun with a grown-up's help, of course. Alternatively, you could use white glue and a pair of scissors. Let's go. Step number one. I'm gonna cut my sock. So put the sock on my hand, pinch it where I wanna cut it, pull it off, and then I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut a little hole for my thumb to go out. Now, ta-da! I'm just gonna add some claws. We're gonna be done. So fast, so simple, so exciting, so clawy. Now I'm gonna make my claws, and I want rainbow claws for like rainbow. And you don't need to color this much of your paper, but sometimes I just really like coloring hard, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna color really hard on this paper. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna cut 8 claws out because I have 2 different hands with claws. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut little triangles of claws out, shall we? I took my claws and I've laid them out on my socks, or you could be laying them out on your gloves if you're using gloves. I'm going to use hot glue to affix them to my sock. If you have a grown-up to help you, you can do that with their permission. And if not, then white glue will do the trick. Let's glue it. A round of applause. You made some claws. Now that we've made our claws, let's play. Now that we've made our claws, we can dig. Everybody dig with me. Dig, 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 dig a burrow We can climb a tree, oh, like a squirrel or a black bear. We can forage for berries, munch, munch, munch. Oh, you know what else they're useful for? Just a little scratch the head. Claws are adaptations that many animals have created in order to survive out there in the wild. I hope I see you in your claws soon. Bye-bye.